Do you have a keyless entry code, but you don't know what it is? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to find it. Okay, so normally when you buy a truck, you'll get the owner's manual and it'll have the keyless entry code on a card. But we bought this truck used and it didn't have it. So in order to find it, you'll need both sets of keys. You'll have to find your emergency backup slot. In my 2021 F-250, it's right here in the center console. It looks like a key. I think you can see that. Okay, so after you've located your emergency backup slot in your vehicle, you're going to take one of the keys and you're going to put it in the slot. And then you're going to press the start button. And you're going to let all of the electronics start up. And then you're going to press the start button again to power off. And then you're going to remove that key and put the other key in. And then you're going to press the start button. And you're going to continue doing this until it shows you the code that you need. So power off, switch key, power on. Power off, switch keys, power on. And there you have it. It's given us the code. It took a few more tries than it says it should. I'm not sure why it takes so long sometimes, but it will give it to you if you're persistent and continue doing it. And then in order to change the code so it's not the factory code anymore, then you go into settings, scroll over to vehicle, scroll down to door keypad code, and then this is where you go in to change it to your desired code. But remember, if you change your battery or something like that, I don't know, it might reset. So be aware of that. You want to be sure you have that original code that we just found. All right, that's it. So super easy to find that keyless entry code in this 2021 Ford Super Duty. Just remember, you have to have both keys to do it, and just keep doing it over and over. It's supposed to only have to be switched out, you know, from one key to the next. However, I've done it multiple times and it always takes more than just that one switch out. Just be consistent and keep trying, and eventually it'll show you the code. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you being a part of our community. If you could please like, comment, share, subscribe, it would really mean a lot to us. We appreciate you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.